Welcome back to day 10, building before the results show up. Welcome back to I Can and I Will at 60. My name is Cheryl, and I am documenting how I am changing my life at 60 by building discipline, health, and abundance by keeping my word to myself one day at a time. Today, I am making room sprays for my candle business. I genuinely love doing this. It feels so good when I'm creating. These room sprays are part of my future that I'm creating. I'm not waiting for someday. I'm doing it now. Every batch that I make is me choosing my future. What about you? Where will you show up for yourself today? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about it. Then comment, I can and I will. And let's do this together. See you tomorrow.